Hi, everyone. Today, I would like to share with you a new platform that the school and the teacher using is called Talking Point. Um, this is the new platform that helping the teacher and the school, also the parents, to communicate with each other. Um, and Throughout my videos, I will try to explain and provide you more detail how to log in, what is the benefit of using the Talking Point platform, and how it will be supporting you and the parents to communicate with the teacher. And please surprise if you like my videos. Um, So the talking point is the platform that the school use to communicate with families in their home language to build a strong partnership all years long. Um, the teacher using the Talking Point app, it's helped the teacher to reach all the parents and guardians regardless of the language. So they can text message in 100 plus languages available in the Talking Point. Um, Talking Point help the teacher communicate with the non-English speaking parent in automatically two ways communication translation. They quickly send a message to one parent, to a group of parents, or the whole class. So the teacher also can add the phone number of the parents and communicate like text message the parent to that. So they keep their throughout the Talking Point platform. It's helped to keep their cell phone number in private by sending the text message through the app. They also can use this to attach picture, video, poll, file to text message to share what the students are learning in school with the parents. The teacher also can use the Talking Point to reschedule messages to go out when the parents are available to read them. So they can set up the conference call or reminding the parents when is the meetings will be about. For the Talking Point, the parents can use this platform free, no paid, to help you to communicate with your child teacher and the school. You're able to send the message in your home native language through this application, and then it will be help you to translate in English, so the teacher can understand what is the message about. So it help the parents engage and involve in your child learnings by communicate with their teacher in school using the Talking Point. So let's go and see how we can do it. Like I say, the Talking Point is very highest quality translation. Is able to have the multilingual communications two ways across over 100 home language. And it is essential accessibility during the remote learning. So it's reach out to the families. The teacher can use this platform to reach out to the family and communicate with the parents during the remote and hybrid learnings. Very, very accessible technologies, meaningful family engagements, no language barriers. The teacher, like I say, the teacher write in English. When parents receive it, they will receive in their native language, and the parents can text back answer or reply back to the teacher in their native language, and then the teacher receive it in English. Very convenient platform. So how you can download and install is very easy. You can download on the App Store or on the Google Play if you use the Android phone. It's very easy, accessible to use by your phone or by the computer. So you can install the app in your phone or in your computer. So when you click any, like using the Google app or the Android app and search for parents talking point, so they will pop up this in your app store, and click for install. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything. So after you click for install, it will be automatically download the platform, the applicant, to your phone or to your device. So when you do that, you just working on the registrations, put in your informations, and then connect with your school. So once you get connected, your computer or your phone will be look like this. You have the message, and then you can see it is similar, exactly the same thing like the a chat, messaging, messenger. But the cool is you type in your native language, the teacher will receive it in English, and then versus the teacher type in English and then you receive in your native language. So this is the best way for you to communicate with your teacher on anytime you have any kind of questions, you have any problem, you need help, so you can communicate directly with your student teacher, and they can able to support you right away. So how it work? The teacher will be type everything in English. You receive on your phone, it will pop up the message in your native language. And then when you reply back to it, you can type it in English or you can type it in your native language, and the teacher will receive it in English. Very simple. And it's available in 100 plus languages. You can name it. The Talking Point able to support that. That is awesome. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope this video will be help you to stay more connect with your child teacher and school. Don't forget to click on the surprise to receive my upcoming video. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channels. See you in the next video. Bye.